Hi, you guys. Welcome back. I know I look messy, but we better get it on. So, I haven't done a voiceover in a while, but I'm just cut my ear. Like, will I? Am I? I don't know, you guys, but ever since I put scissors to my hair one long time ago, I have just been snipping away. Yeah, man, I honestly can't believe this doesn't even want to work today because I want that. Watch it now. Oh, God, it work. Yeah, well, I can't believe it. You can see by my face, you guys, I can't believe I did such a big cut. You will still see that my hair is still a bit straight, even though I trimmed off the ends that I thought were the only straight parts. But yeah, knowing me from before a long time, when I had like an afro and my hair detangled pretty well, I would get some straightness in it. So I'm not surprised. So some of this is heat damage, but for the most part, it's still alright. It just dry because I washed it, right? So don't worry yourself. Alright, let's cut it again. Oh my god, I haven't done a voiceover in a minute. I'm just cut out the ears, so god don't even look. But not even want to look what I'm doing is voiceover simply because I could not believe the time when I did it. What I'm going for, you guys, the look on my face. What I'm going for is a tapered cut. I am so focused right now because I don't want to mess it up because like what do you do when you cut your hair low and you cut it bad? Wait, like how do you go from there? It's not like you still have a lot of hair on your head to hide any part that you may have messed up. No. So we're just continuing to cut around. You'll see that I'm not going too low. Earlier, like I'm not on camera, but earlier I had used the comb to like put it like, look in between my ear and the scissors just to see how low I could get. And I was gonna lie, like once I started doing this and I saw myself in the camera, I was feeling myself. She did not feel herself because like going from Nicola with hair to Nicola with very low hair and still looking good. When I tell you lie, yeah man, I feel like my rebirth and my rebirth on a different level. Watch nice. Honestly, I love it and I love how it felt. Like watch a girl, yeah. Watch teeth. Is this a Colgate commercial or is this a video of me cutting my hair? Please, somebody put in the comment section down below and tell me. Not bad for true. Alright, we're gonna just run through the next section over here, you guys. Doing the same thing. I think I cut this part a bit lower. That's why you see me did that thing right there. But it's not that bad. In any case, I can just go ahead and neat and nice at the next side, just in case. There's some sections that may be a little bit longer than some, and so I had to go through and make sure I get it. I could not get the back as perfect as I wanted to, but I think I did well. Now we're gonna catch up the top part so we can snip off a little bit off of the top because it's a bit too high now. It's a tapered cut, but it's still a little bit too high compared to the rest of my hair. So we'll just go through, do a one bam, snip, yeah, done. That was all I took off. See, so not much, but enough. Now I look like one chicken, like a runaway chicken. Just just that I have my head this time. Here, you guys. Now I'm going for habayang. This is simply because, like I said, if you look, the ends are not too cute on the front because they're a bit, still a little bit too long. I'm confused. Obviously, I know to use you guys to make twist and turn. Watch mouth. What is she doing? What is she doing? But I know. Lord of mercy. But it's getting cut. The scissors is not dulling out, you guys. It's me just don't know for. Because looking in the mirror, seeing myself in the opposite way, kind of the mirror flip around, really understand what I'm doing. Yeah. Alright. That's how much hair we lost, you guys. Now we are going to do some treatment. So let's avocado some treatment. That is so corny. So this treatment has been made before on my channel. Go ahead and watch it. But this time I actually went ahead and did it the right way with a ripe avocado. I'm gonna strain it pretty well. So you see the creamy texture. That's what we were supposed to accomplish in this video up here. So put it in my hair. The curls are already coming to life. Yes, sweetie. This is what we were God have mercy. This is what we were working for. And this is what my head looks like a couple days after. Right now I'm gonna wash it because knowing me, I love wash my hair. Like I really love washing my hair. And I'm happy I trimmed the sides because low hair I don't do that very often. And see that my finger twist, finger coil my ear. That's how it looks on uncoiled. Look nice. I look smart, my glasses though, I'm not too smart. I like that, it look nice, yeah. That's how it looks stretched, just like a couple days in. This is how I've been wearing my hair, you guys. I've been hiding, but this is how I've been wearing my hair. Everybody would have asked me, am I hair did cut, see there? Right there, sir? Yeah, it was cut. My skin look nice though, yeah. Look like a peacock with head top ketchup. But you guys, that's it. And that's how I got my tapered cut, y'all. Thanks for watching, bye.